Inclusive growth is the world's best hope. This was a key message coming out of Davos, with financial inclusion continuing at the top of the World Economic Forum's agenda. Joining me is His Excellency Mr Musa Shihadeh. How important is improving financial inclusion for Jordan, and what is Jordan Islamic Bank doing around this?
Financial inclusion in Jordan considered a pillar, as it is in the international agenda. It improves in poverty, improves in unemployment, and increases productivity. And it leads to stable financial in the country. Jordan Islamic Bank is doing this in the literacy of the people, SMEs and individuals, by offering services and products that meet their needs and helps their business. We try in our bank to be near to those people who need our activities through our branches and cash offices and ATMs.
Jordan, as you say, does need to work to improve its employment figures. Supporting employment means supporting businesses. Which particular industries are you supporting through finance?
We do finance SMEs, giving financing easy and transparent and low income sometimes, in financing special persons who has their practices and need financing. We finance SMEs, we finance goods, we finance the jobs of the people who make some personal activities that improve their income. And we go to finance solar systems.
Tell me more about the work you're doing in the renewable energy sector. Why is this important?
Yeah, energy sector, we put a plan for in our bank, a 5-year plan, in order to enhance the solar system. Jordan has 300 sunny days, and the problem of Jordan is importing oil. Is not an oil country. We at the bank, for example, started our 18 branches now out of 70 branches on solar system. We have 2 stations in order to furnish our branches. We offer to our customers financing for the solar system, for our machinery, in order to help them. And this will help the environment as well as help the government in not importing oil, which is a burden on our budget in Jordan.
Jordan Islamic Bank is a pioneer in corporate social responsibility in the country. What are you doing in this area?
Jordan Islamic Bank, applies Sharia. And Sharia take care of not only Jordanian people, Muslims or non-Muslims, take care of every human being. Part of our mission is to help those people who need it. For example, we give free loans for people who want to marry or pay tuitions or even to go to hospital. We have our own collective scheme for people who deal with our bank in case of they have insolvency or in case of death or disability. This fund which we raised through those people and through the bank helps them pay their debt and not to destroy the family. That's what we do in the social responsibility.
Jordan, of course, is in quite a difficult neighbourhood. How is that impacting the economy and your bank?
The economy now is troubled with the Syrian problem, Iraqi problem, Yemen problem, which surrounds Jordan. And it gave us in Jordan volatility in enhancing our business. Therefore, the government, the banking system, as well our bank, try always to stop the effects that could happen in the country, as well as the Jordan Islamic Bank sector. And of course, trying by our governance and the rules we apply and the regulations the government help in furthering the business to comply with this volatility we are living in.
Finally, what are your aspirations for Jordan Islamic Bank's future?
We look always for our customers. We hope that we render them the facilities and services that meet their aspiration, high technological application, in order to let them feel that they are working in the Western countries or any place. That's part of our mission, relying on our staff, our people and our management as well.
Musa Shihadeh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. For more on how banks around the world are working on financial inclusion, visit worldfinance.com. And please subscribe for more banking stories, as well as all the latest insights from World Finance.